everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to review our projects. Few of the projects I have joined, and it's my 12th day when I started my passive income programs. I joined passive income programs. It's been 12th day. So today we are going to estimate how much I have earned in 12 days and how programs they are doing, are they scam or not. We are going to discover in today's video. So I'm going to start with the first project which I started. It was drip faucet. Another project was drip garden, and third one was Titano. And fourth one is pocket pool. I am coming to one by one. So I have two accounts with drip faucet and two accounts with drip garden. Okay, so first we are going to review our drip faucet. In drip faucet I have invested $450. So in 12 days I have earned up to $52. Basically drip faucet is paying you 1% for 1 year. So here you can see that maximum drips I can earn from my investment is 11.993, and I have invested 3.269. so up to now it paid me in 12 days 0.4. so every day it's paying me 1%, and I didn't withdraw any money from this project. And second project is drip garden. In drip garden it's paying me 3% every day. So this is what I have earned in 12 days, $56. And if you can watch my previous video, I have discussed that I have withdrawn $50 from this account. So if we will add 50 and 56, I have earned up to now 106 USD in just 12 days. It's paying me 3% every day. So this is the second project, and here we go to the second account of drip faucet, where I have put 150 USD, but up to now I have earned $17 and I did not withdraw any money from this. And here is my second account of drip garden. Here I have earned $29 up to now, because I just put only $75 or $80, and there is a few referral commission or something like that. So up to now I have earned $29 in drip garden second account. And here is Titano Finance. I posted last video and I put $270 in it, and I started this project only 5 days ago, and up to now I have earned $352. So from 270 it increased to $352, which I can withdraw at any moment. So basically this is my capital amount. Every day it increase, and I can withdraw all of the money at the same time. So these were the three projects, and here we go to the fourth project. It is a very amazing project. It is a pocket pool. In pocket pool I have put only 440 something like that, and my username is Wolverine. This is my account. So these are the pocket tokens. So here you will see that pocket price coin. It will show you the live price of pocket, how much the price of it. It's 1.21, and it's this is the pocket pools. So if you will see that I have 343.63 multiply 1.21. So I have put $415, and it's showing me that you have earned 2.47, and after minusing the tax or fees I am having 2.35. So in just 2 days 2.35. I have $2.8 in this. So it is my profit, and this is my principal amount. So the good thing about Pocket Pool is that it is the real nodes that they are running, and they are it is working real. And this is the Discord channel where they paste their incomes on every day, and here is it. So 110 pocket pools per node per day, it's been paid. So these are the 4 projects which I am doing, and it's doing really amazing, and I really suggest you to start your journey like this, and you can start an passive income program. So these projects are doing really good at the moment. Up to now they are working very fine. I am completely satisfied with Drip Community, with Drip Garden, with Titano, with Pocket Pool. These projects are doing really amazing. If you want to start your journey with any of the program, just write in the comment. I will guide you step by step. If you want to discuss this, you can also just type the comment. We can arrange a session, we can do discussion about it. So I am really quite happy about these programs. I will suggest you to go for it. Thank you.